Hey everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Blind Guy Tries. Today I have to try a new sandwich from Subway. It's the Subway barbecue rib sandwich, which, if I'm being honest, sounds just like a McRib. It has all the same stuff that a McRib does on it. It's got, ribs or ribs smushed together. It's got barbecue sauce. Supposed to have onions on it. I took those off because gross. Pickles and lettuce, and I added cheddar cheese to this one. So we'll see if it's good. I get my subs toasted because if you don't, I don't trust you. So here's what it looks like. There's an inner shot. Look at that. Look at that perfect hood opening. Alright. Let's get a bite of this. Oh, and there's pickles on it. Don't know if I said that. So, right away it's good sweet barbecue sauce. Nice bit of crunch from the pickles and the toasted bread. Would I say that it tastes like a McRib? No, I think it's better than a McRib. It's got more flavor. The rib meat. See if I can get a piece of it. I mean, it's still that processed rib meat, but this tastes like real meat, actually. So it gives me hope that it is. They put lots of pickles on here. Not a lot of sauce, which I like. Other people might not, but I don't want to be disgusting. I don't want my hands and stuff to be gross. So I do believe it's a limited time. So yeah, not too bad. On a scale of 1 to 5 white canes, I give this like a 4.5. Maybe put some jalapenos on there instead of pickles, might make it better. But other than that, there's nothing I can complain about. It's a great flavor, great taste. Obviously Subway's bread's always delicious, so it beats a McDonald's bun all the time. But yeah. Oh, before I go, let me know what you think of the hair. I'm loving it. It's fresh, if you will. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want me to try down below. And until next time, I'll see you around. Or maybe I won't.